Good morning, all of you. I am Shobha from Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Welcome you all our online YouTube channel Suraj Education Group. This chapter is for class 8, chapter 5, Judiciary. First question dies in the mind of students. Student, what is judiciary? Simply, you learned in the last chapter, understanding laws. Judiciary is the third organ of the government. First is legislature, second is executive, and third is judiciary. What do you understand by this term? What is judiciary? Rule of law. India is a democratic country. Here, every person have right to go court. Anybody violated their rights. In the eyes of law, every person is equal in the eyes of law. No one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, gender, etc. So, how can we set up this type of system where every person gets their right, no one can be violated by others? So this type of system, how can we set up? We have a chain. We have a chain of courts to implement this type of system. Subordinate court at the district level, high court at the state level, and Supreme Court is the highest authority of country. So here we understand what is the mechanism of courts in judiciary. To ensure the rule of law, we have a judicial system. Rule of law रूल ऑफ लॉ इंश्योर करने के लिए वी हैव ए जुडिशियल सिस्टम दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मैकेनिज्म ऑफ कोर्ट्स दैट हैव सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्ट. वी नीड दैट टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम दैट हैव मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्ट्स दैट ए सिटीजन कैन अप्रोच व्हेन ए लॉ इज वायलेटेड. देन every citizen can approach on a proper channel. First citizen go to their subordinate court, then high court, and after that they can go to the Supreme Court. Judiciary plays a crucial role in the functioning of India's democracy. We know very well India is a democratic country. So here the rule of the here the government made by the people, for the people. So we need a proper channel for judgment. But we are going to study in this chapter. In this chapter, we will talk about the role of judiciary. In India, judiciary is independent or not? What is the structure of courts in India? And how many branches of legal system? When any citizen violated by others, so where we go to appeal, where we can approach. So many things we will study in this chapter. So let's continue. So try to know about the role of judiciary. Judiciary in India is completely independent. In India is a democratic country. Here, judiciary is completely independent. No one can create pressure on the judiciary. Judiciary is completely independent. No one can create pressure on this. It is completely independent. And the second thing is, what is independent judiciary? Judiciary is completely independent. It's protect our rights and prevent them from violated by others. And third thing is, what is the structure of courts in India? At the apex, Supreme Court, which is followed by High Court, that state level, District Court at district level, and Lok Adalat at the village and Panchayat level. So we can better understand by this chart. Supreme Court, followed by High Court, and High Court followed by District Court, and all is followed by Lok Adalat at village level. This is country level, state level, district level, and village level. So, further detail of this chapter, you will join our Zoom lectures. Thanks. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.